Welcome, beautiful soul, to Insight with Esther. Someone cares for you far more deeply than they are willing to admit or show. Their feelings have grown so intense that they have become quietly fixated, watching from a distance and wondering about you. They are constantly searching for signs, clues, or reassurance, trying to figure out whether things could truly work if they ever found the courage to pursue you. Okay, this is someone who feels deeply but holds back, likely out of shyness or fear of vulnerability, choosing observation over action for now. You clearly make this person feel uneasy in a way that comes from attraction and intrigue. You both carry strong dominant energy, but their stays hidden at first because they are still trying to understand you. In the beginning, they come across as reserved and cautious, observing you closely and attempting to decode who you are. They may even be turning to intuitive or psychic insight to figure out your intentions and whether there is a real chance if they ever made a move. This is someone who holds a position of respect and influence, and despite knowing you are not easy to commit to, they are confident in their ability to pursue what they desire. And I sense this connection ultimately leading to a relationship. This person comes across as sharp-minded, calculated, and highly driven, always thinking in terms of strategy, how to obtain what they want, advance their goals, and increase their success. They are someone who pursue their desire with confidence, almost like a mogul in their approach to life. Yet, despite their usual control, you affect them in a way no one ever has. Your presence completely unsettles them. Every encounter, thought, or moment of proximity feels overwhelming and intoxicating. They left unsure of what to say or how to act, experiencing emotions they have never known before. They are left unsure of what to say or how to act, experiencing emotions they have never known before. And when they look at you, it's a sense of awe, as if you are something divine. You genuinely unsettle this person not out of fear, but out of sheer admiration. They are deeply struck by your presence and significance, feeling like they have never encountered anyone quite like you before. They sense that your personality would be magnetic, which makes them determined to get everything right from the very first interaction, refusing to risk a weak impression. Because of that, they may go out of their way to impress you with luxury experiences, such as unskilled trips or elegant outings. There is a strong crush here, and the connection is likely to return physical in a powerful, unforgettable way. At the same time, this person carries a real fear of rejection. And for some of you, they even may have a military background, which could explain both their discipline and emotional restraint. This person has come to see you as everything to them. And the more they watch and learn about you, the clearer that truth becomes. In their mind, they are already envisioning a future with you, thinking about commitment, building a life together, and growing old side by side. You occupy their thoughts constantly, emotionally and physically. to the point where they can't go a single day without thinking of you. They are completely captivated, possibly tall and strong in presence, and there is a clear sense that a major meaningful moment with them is approaching. When they finally make their move, it feels destined to be unforgettable, the kind of first meeting or interaction that leaves a permanent mark on both of you. Their admiration borders on obsession, and the energy suggests that once you connect, the feeling will be mutual and just as intense. There is a strong sense that once this connection turns intimate, it will be hard to walk away. Because after the initial nerve fade, this person become very self-assured and comfortably in who they are. They are naturally confident, ambitious, and driven, and that confidence carries over into their romantic energy. They enjoy talking and leading and being in control, especially once trust is established, and they are certain they know how to satisfy you. While there can be a balance of power between you, they are aware of their own magnetism and capability. More than just passion, they want something lasting and permanent with you. And their desire is unmistakable. When this unfolds, you will feel it deeply and instinctively. You won't need reassurance because your intuition will make it clear that this is the person meant for you, okay? There is a strong sense of certainty surrounding this connection, leaving you with no confusion about where you stand with this person. From their perspective, they are either wondering aloud or silently questioning whether you can keep up with their fast-paced, adventurous lifestyle. They thrive on excitement, traveling, exploring new experiences, and constantly seeking stimulation. And this energy extends into their intimate life as well, as they have an intense passion and a high level of desire. At the core, they truly believe you are meant to be with them and see you as someone extraordinary. Things between you would escalate quickly, possibly within just a few months or even sooner. And that is exactly how strong they feel about you. They have to come clear realization that the person they want to build a future with, and it's likely they have already talked about you or will soon with someone close to them. Even showing your photos and confidently saying you are the one they plan to marry. When they finally pursue you, your emotions will feel genuinely and unquestionable, with no inner conflict about where this is headed. The timing feels closer expected, possibly within weeks, aligning with a period of major change and movement ahead. If finances have felt unstable lately, that energy is shifting towards balance and improvement. This connection also carries themes of travel, transformation, and indulgence, as they want to spoil you, surprise you, and see your happiness firsthand. Though initially reserved, they eventually open up fully, revealing a deeply passionate, imaginative side that focused solely on you. They see you as a rare and irrepressible, which fuels their desire to claim, cherish, and devote themselves entirely to you once they fall in love. This person sees you as incredibly attractive and is fully aware that you are who they want to spend their life with. They carry strong values and principles, and while they are deeply passionate in private, that side of them only comes out with someone they truly respect and love. They are drawn to commitment and tradition, wanting a partner who is devoted solely to them. Which is why casual flings or disloyal behavior that doesn't appeal to them at all. When they pursue you, they will expect exclusivity and loyalty because they genuinely want you all to themselves. They are also very attentive to details, appreciating elegance and intimacy, and they associate you with softness and femininity, even having a special nickname for you like princess. On top of that, there is a strong energy of manifestation and blessings around this connection, suggesting wishes aligning and positive outcomes unfolding, especially if you have been noticing meaningful signs or repeating numbers lately. They truly treat you like a princess, and the energy around this connection shows that things are about to pick up quickly, even if right now it still feels or subtle or quiet. This person loves you very deeply and carries a strong sense of loyalty and trustworthiness, expecting the same sincerity in return. What is important here is divine timing, and this connection unfolds when you least expect it, not when you force it. At the moment, they are still observing you, a little nervous around your presence because affect them so strongly, but their intention is clear. They plan to pursue you when the timing feels right and aligned. There is a secret admirer energy here, someone faithful and genuine, signaling a once in a lifetime opportunity. This feels very much like a soulmate or long-term partner. Someone who wants to explore the depths of who you are, not just the surface. Physical details may already be surfacing. Hazel or blue eyes are coming through, but more than that, this person is low-key, possibly someone you meet in a public setting rather than through dramatic or forced circumstances. Alongside this, there is a strong message about focusing on a wealthy mindset because as you align your thoughts with abundance, your finances naturally begin to balance and elevate, mirroring the growth happening in your love life. Luck is firmly on your side in both money and relationship. Right now, it's truly the best of both worlds. Everything around you is rising, and when this person finally makes their move, it will happen suddenly and unexpectedly, catching off guard in the most beautiful way, because they already know how rare you are and exactly why they want to commit you. Someone of you may already have a sense of who this person is. And when they finally come after you, it will surprise you just how deeply they care. Their love runs much deeper than you realize, and for some, you may have even already met them. They find you completely captivating and utterly adorable, drawn to both your personality and presence. The universe is preparing you to meet a genuinely sincere lover, someone independent, possibly with blue or green eyes, and unlike anyone you have encountered before. After experiencing your share of difficult relationships, this connection is a true game changer, restoring your faith in love. Your combination of intelligence, beauty, and magnetic personality fascinates them, making them unable to resist you. There is a natural chemistry where even the simplest moments together spark desire effortlessly, and your mere presence excites them deeply. This is someone you are likely to settle down with, and the attraction between you is instant, intense, and undeniable. They are completely captivated by your intelligence and charm, and this connection promises significant emotional healing for both of you. This person may reach out through a text or DM as they are constantly thinking about you obsessively, finding you incredibly attractive and inspiring, with feelings far deeper than you realize. The attraction is mutual and you are likely to fall just as hard for them. They could be tall, tattooed, and carry a strong alpha energy with a hint of the black sheep vibe, and the relationship will include cozy moments like movie nights while their desire for you is undeniable. They tend to get jealous easily and value loyalty, preferring that you maintain a sense of modesty and exclusivity in how you present yourself, as they want to feel that you are there and only theirs. The energy suggests serious potential, possibly leading to engagement and overall. This person is fully committed and deeply invested in you. You know what I am picking up here? It's given a strong positive, protective vibe. This person doesn't want to anyone see flirting with you or any other man near you. There is a deep obsession energy here, and it's clear that you have no idea just how intensely they feel about you. The cards came out really highlight this dynamic. Starting with the Nine of Pentacles, I am seeing a lot of material comfort and abundance connected to this relationship. There is a prosperity, extra income, and a genuine desire on their part to treat you, to spoil you, to create a life of financial ease and stability together. That being said, at the moment, this person is indecisive about how or when to pursue you. There is a push and pull energy. They are unsure of right timing and are weighing their approach carefully. They see you as ambitious, focused, and unapproachable, which adds to their hesitation. You radiate a boss energy, fully immersed in your own goals and personal growth, and it's clear that your focus is on your bag, your career, your path life rather than on outside distractions. This is only intensifies their fascination and intrigue because they sense your independence and strength, making them want you even more, even while they are caught in their own decision about how to step forward. I am picking up that this is exactly how they perceive you, someone incredible and magnetic and completely worth putting effort into. This person is deeply loyal, executing a kind of golden retriever energy, fiercely devoted yet intensely passionate. Dominant when the moment calls for it, and just as freaky in the seats, basically the best of both worlds. The Nine of Cups speaks to a relationship overflow with prosperity, emotional fulfillment, and deep satisfaction of every level. It's the kind of connection that feels like a wish finally answered. There is a genuine happiness here, and ease and pleasure in being together, paired with strong passion and a sense that both of you truly see and appreciate one another. This energy reflects not just romance, but shared joy, comfort, and the feeling of being emotionally and materially supported, as though you are building something that naturally leads toward long-term commitment and even marriage. They deeply want to sit down with you and have an open, heartfelt conversation, to speak honestly about how they feel, to be vulnerable, and to begin creating meaningful memories together. rather than keeping things unspoken. The Two of Cups reinforces that their intentions are pure and reciprocal. This isn't a fleeting attraction, but a sincere desire of mutual partnership and emotional unity. Even though the energy may feel paused or stagnant right now, it's not because of lacking of feeling, it's because they are waiting for their right moment. Trusting divine timing and wanting to approach you in a way that honors the depth and importance of the connection you share. When they do take that step, it points toward a serious long-term relationship, potentially marriage and children. A life built on shared love, joy, and stability. There is also an element of fantasy and secrecy here. They have hidden desires and intense thought about you, keeping their deeper emotions private for now. Now your side, there may be some anxiety or hesitation about opening up, perhaps due to past trust issues or fear of getting hurt. But what may not realize is that you have manifested this person into your life. The universe has aligned to bring exactly what you asked for. At that moment, both of you may be overworking yourself, burnt out, and in need of rest. Taking a pause will help you tune into your intuition. This person also carries a mysterious energy, and your intuition will guide you in recognizing the depth of this connection when the time comes. Angels are speaking through signs, numbers, and subtle synchronicities, affirming that this is a divinely guided union. This is a powerful, life-changing connection. And as you pay attention to your intuition, you feel the certainty that this person is one.